Hey guys, it's Ethan from Ethan and Edward. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Midland Er10vp portable emergency alert radio. So, as you can see, I already opened it because I just put it in the box just for the video. So anyway, make sure you subscribe, like, turn on notifications, click all, and share this video with everybody. So let's get started. First, on the top of the box, it says Midland. Then it says under the emergency alert radio. Then it says weather alerts, LED flashlight, and AM/FM radio. This part, it says this early warning is your best protection. Then you have the picture of a radio, emergency alert radio. Then it says the same three things here. This just says 3 AA batteries included. And this says Er10vp. Is that an O or a 0? I don't know, but that's that. Then if you go to this side of the box, it looks like a picture of somebody starting a fire with the radio next to them. And the other side of the box is just a picture of the radio, like somewhere. The back of the box there's a picture of lightning, emergency alert AM/FM weather radio. For over half a century, Midland has been trusted to keep you and your loved ones safe by providing reliable emergency preparedness options. Next, the box, it says features NOAA weather alert radio, LED flash with high, low, and SOS, AM/FM radio with a clock and a headphone jack. There's just a picture of the radio. And the bottom, just some other stuff. So let's get into it. I open it from this side. This is probably the side you're supposed to open it from. So first, you get the radio. Put that over there. Then you get a box. I'm going to pretend I don't know what's in there, but I do. Next is the instructions. Comment below if you actually read instructions. So then, let's look in this box. So first, we'll move these off to the side. You dump out the 3 batteries. Yes, they are AA or whatever it's called. It says Midland. Well, Midland actually has batteries that are Midland brand. Next, you have instructions. You can pause and read if you really want to. Who would? I don't know, but somebody probably would. You can pause this and read too. I don't know if you can see. You can pause that and read. Pause this and read this side. pretty sure. Pause that and read if you want. Pause that and read. I don't know if you can even pause that and read. Here's just the front. So I'll just fold it back up. Something like that. And put it over there. Next, what you have is you have the radio. The radio is off right now because there's no battery. So how do you go to the back. You see this little thingy here. You pull it towards you and kind of up. And then if you really don't know which way the battery goes, the spring and the flat side go together. So it'd be like this, and most of the time it's opposite. So the next one would go the other way. I'll try the next one. Let's try this battery instead. There we go. Then this right there. And then, like, try to get this on, like, with one hand. There we go. So now it'll work. Says it's 8 o'clock. Which is, I don't know why. But also, it has this strap thing here. Okay, so if you turn it over the top first, we have the button here. It's the flashlight. Looks like this. Then there's a second mode, like this, which is mode 2. There, you can kind of. Then there's an SOS mode, which is like 4 short ones and 4 long ones, like this. Okay. Then also on the top, you have your antenna. There we go. Feet really help. There we go, there's that. Okay, and then on this side it says Midland. There's a screen here. On the top it's a battery, then it's a time, and on the right of the screen it's a speaker. Then down here, the first button it says band, which is how you switch through the 3. Next is volume down, next is volume up. Next is tune down, and the other next is tune up. Tune basically means switching channels. Then there's menu. So to turn it on, you want to hold down the band button for 3 seconds. Let's find something that's actually.
Facilities near Amenia.
Let's just find.
We don't know if Jacobs is coming back, Waller, Renfro. There's so much uncertainty.
Okay, there we go. So if you click the band button for one time, it'll go to the PM channel. If you do it again, it'll go to the WX channel. Which is the weather, like this.
But there are still uncertainties in the track of the system.
Then again, it goes to the AM. PM. This is definitely not English. Why is there Christmas music? Christmas music ended a long time ago. like maybe the day after Christmas or something like that. Well, if you want to go to Christmas music, go to 88.7 PM radio. Turn that down. Then if you go over, I'll be back in a few seconds. I gotta let Oreo in. Here, listen to some music. Listen to some music while you wait. Hope it's not copyright. Possibly. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so then if you hit the menu button. Hi, Oreo. Oreo really likes licking the antenna. I think it's a really good itcher for the dog. I just nice itch them like this, pet them, something like that. It got shorter now. Anyway, if you click menu, well, if you click it, it turns on weather alert mode, which is the WX blinking. Click it again, it's turned off. So I'm gonna turn it on, but you hold it for like 3 seconds. First thing is hour, 12, or if you click up or down, doesn't matter. It's 24. The next is, click it again. It's the time. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 3:52 p.m.
Pretty sure that says PM. I'm pretty sure that's PM. I don't like how it disappears. 11:06. It's Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:52 p.m.
Click it again to get the other one. Oh, it's 53. Oh, 60. I'll do that. 3. Okay. Oops. Next is after the time, it's FR or actually after when you get to I keep clicking back. FR, then you have to click the arrow to get to CH. Then if you click the menu button for that, actually, don't click the menu button then. Get back there really quick. CH. Then you click CH. Well, anyway, somehow if you click like a button, it goes. You can switch from whatever channel to a different channel. Maybe it'll help if I turn it off. To turn it off, you just hold it for 3 seconds. 454, I guess. 354, actually. Maybe then you can hold up menu button. CH. I'm not sure how to switch the channel. I knew it earlier because I did it earlier. I'm not sure how to switch the channel. Anyway, on the screen you have a battery. Besides, it says PM. Then when you do turn it on, then FM is above the middle letter button.
It was fair, with a temperature of 20 in Jamestown and
Not sure what I did,
that early.
but channel 4 works good for me. Then the WX is all the way on the kind of middle right side, and AM is on the left. Oh, you have to push to the WX, then you can switch channels. I'm going to turn it off. And that's basically it for the Midland radio. So make sure you subscribe, like, turn on notifications, click all, and sometime when there's a weather alert, I will record that. So, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.